Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick little fun fact. I was thinking about earlier today when I was ordering material, how much solder do I go through? And I had to go back and look at all my invoices and orders and stuff like that. And typically a 1 pound roll of 0.8 millimeter solder, I will go through about every 4 to 5 weeks, no more than 6. So to me, that's a bunch of solder, especially being fine solder like this. And this ain't cheap solder. This is like this $35 a roll solder. So this ain't that cheap $10 Chinese shit you get off Amazon. Anyway, for those interested, I use a Pace SM25 Varitemperature soldering iron, and this is currently set at about 350 Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to about a 30 watt iron, and I can adjust that as I need. But as you can see, we're soldering some stuff now. But anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. I understand it's probably less than some and more than others, but 1 pound every 4 to 6 weeks, that's quite a bit. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time.